From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, I'm Campus Weather Service meteorologist Connor Friedhoff here with your forecast. Hope you're having a wonderful day. It's been a bit chilly this past few days. As you can see, Beaver Stadium sitting at 43 degrees. However, this wind coming in from the southwest has made it feel more like 36 degrees. Absolutely brutal winds, bringing that temperature down by 7 degrees. For the whole state, it's pretty much that same narrative. 40s for much of the state, especially in the northwest, the central, and the northeastern regions. Have some 30s like in Johnstown and in Bradford. You have to go all the way to the New Jersey border to even see some 50s, even this time when we're about peak temperature throughout the day. You can take a look here, the rest of the country. This separation line between blue and green shows the most pronounced change of all that polar air making its way down from Canada and bringing quite a chill to the first half of the week. And with radar and satellite, you were not dreaming this morning. You saw flakes, especially if you are in the northern tier, in the central region, or in the Laurel Highlands. For some of you, that's your first flakes. But in the lower elevations, mainly along the PA-Ohio border and parts near Pittsburgh and Erie, mainly some rain showers started off your day or in your commute. Looking at the rest of the country, we can see that low is spinning around here in Lake Huron, parts of Ontario, bringing some of that precipitation and overcast conditions to our region, and that is slowly but surely moving eastward out of the region. We'll be seeing those showers taper off by the end of the day. At the upper air heights, you can see this low start to make its way out of the region, and in its place we see a ridge start to slowly but surely make its way and just briefly stop for a short pause over the weekend. That's what's going to be bringing us some much more pleasant conditions and higher than normal temperatures. But we could take a look here in the plains. Our next weather maker is just getting started, getting ready to move up, getting ready to move just across the Great Lakes region and back up into Canada. Maybe you can see just that view, if you can see just on Thursday, mainly some clouds throughout the region, but nothing too much to worry about in terms of precipitation. Same thing with Friday, just a stray cloud here and there. It's not going to be causing too much headaches in terms of any kind of weather. Once we get to Friday, then later Saturday, we'll be seeing much more pleasant conditions. But we shouldn't take any time off. This just now updated freeze warnings for pretty much most of the western, northwestern, and parts now of the south central portion of the state. These were just frost advisories not too long ago, but now upgraded to freeze warnings. So if you have any plants outside, bring them in, as well as pets. If you're cold, they're cold. Make sure you account for them. Notice how, of course, parts of Clearfield, Center County, and the northern tier, not under a freeze warning, but pretty much everything west and south of that, even south into parts of Maryland, West Virginia, and Ohio, are under a freeze warning until 10 a.m. on Thursday. Now we can see our next weather maker slowly going to make its way up the coast here. All this rain is going to slowly but surely make its way up and soak Sunday into Monday, and then no time to even recover. We have another front moving its way across on Tuesday, and then more showers possibly on Wednesday. Of course, this is just one model. We could be seeing some showers, but we're not 100% certain on that. But we are fairly certain on this. We have a chance of flurries tonight. So if you didn't see snow today, you have another opportunity tonight. We will be seeing a little bit of some winds coming out of the southwest again, so bundle up. It's going to be chilly. 33 is the air temperature, but that wind chill could very well go down below 30, down into the high 20s because of the wind. And even then tomorrow, we're seeing those temperatures bounce back up for Thursday. Regarding to the end of the week, we'll be seeing a very welcome warm up. Partly sunny, but those winds stay, gusts of up to 20 miles per hour. So we'll be seeing more bite in the air, just like we saw the last few days. And rounding out with the 7-day forecast, we have a mix of clouds tomorrow, but as we get into that weekend, we're looking very nice for the dual homecoming and whiteout weekend here in State College. Temperatures will get as high as 67 on Saturday. It'll feel more like the beginning of October as opposed to being in the thick of fall. And those temperatures will stick around for a little bit. We have 60s all the way out through the weekend. We could be seeing some rain chances on Tuesday and Wednesday, so be on the lookout for that. Get your umbrellas ready for that. But in a few days, we'll be able to experience some nice mild temperatures as opposed to some of the chilly, biting air that we've been having in the last few days. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm meteorologist Connor Friedhoff, wishing you a wonderful day.